Dear viewers, welcome to Veda Vyasa Academy. Here we are going to discuss about the properties of triangles. In this properties of triangles, exercise 10b, third section, sixth problem. What is the problem here? First we read out, if P1, P2, P3 are altitudes drawn from vertices A, B, C in the opposite sides of a triangle respectively, then show that first problem 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by R. Second problem 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by R3. P1, P2, P3 is equal to ABC whole square by 8R cube is equal to 8 delta cube by ABC. First, you have to draw the triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. This is the side A, this is side B, this is side C. Okay, all of you. Then you have to draw the altitudes from opposite vertices. So this is the vertex A. Vertex A, altitude from A to on BC is D. So AD. So this is P1 altitude. So you have to draw altitude from angle B to opposite side B. So this is P2 altitude. This is P2 altitude. Next you have to draw this one BE and CF. So this is altitude P3. Then what is the triangle? So here you observe here from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, delta is the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to, from this altitude, so of P1 into A is equal to of A P1. So from this 1 by P1 is equal to what? 1 by P1 is equal to A by 2 delta. So similarly, triangle ABC area 1 by 2 into P1 altitude into B is equal to 1 by 2 B P2. So here 1 by P2 is equal to what? That is B by 2 delta. Similarly, 1 by P3 is equal to C by 2 delta. So what is the first problem here? First problem 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 is there. So this is implies, what is 1 by P1? A by 2 delta. What is 1 by P2? B by 2 delta. What is 1 by P3? C by 2 delta. So totally 2 delta LCM A plus B plus C. What is A plus B plus C? 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. We know this one. Perimeter of the triangle. So 2S by 2 delta. 2 to cancel. S by delta. This can be written as 1 by S by delta. We know that R is equal to delta by S. Okay. So this can be written as 1 by R. Therefore, what we have? 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3. 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by R is the first problem. 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by R. Okay, all of you. Now we go for second problem. What is second problem here? 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3. So what is 1 by P1? A by 2 delta plus B by 2 delta minus C by 2 delta equal to LCM 2 delta LCM, then A plus B minus C. So it can be written as A plus B plus C minus 2C by 2 delta. A plus B plus C is equal to what? 2S minus 2C by 2 delta. 2 common, S minus C by 2 delta. This one cancel. So it can be written as 1 by delta by S minus C. We know that R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. So this is equal to 1 by R3. Then you can written as this can be written as 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 minus 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by R3. So this is the second problem. Okay, all of you. Here third problem. P1, P2, P3 is equal to ABC whole square by 8R cube is equal to 8 delta cube by ABC. Here from this one, 1 by P1 is equal to what? A by 2 delta. Okay now. So what is here? P1 is equal to 2 delta by A. Similarly, P2 is equal to 2 delta by B. P3 is equal to 2 delta by C. So P1, P2, P3 is equal to 2 delta by A into 2 delta by B into 2 delta by C is equal to 8 into delta cube by ABC. So this one completed. But we know the delta is equal to what? ABC by 4R. Delta is equal to ABC by 4R. Then 8 into delta value ABC by 4R whole cube by ABC. So 8 into ABC whole cube by 4 cube into R cube into ABC. Okay, ABC, 1 ABC cancel. And one more, this is equal to 8 into ABC whole square by denominator 4 into 4 into 4 R cube. 4 2 ja, 2 2 ja. So this is ABC whole square by 4 2 ja, 8 R cube. This is the third problem. So ABC whole square by 8 R cube is there. Care of it. That's all. Dear viewers, properties of triangles, exercise 10b third section, seventh problem. If A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 15, show that capital R is equal to 65 by 8, small r is equal to 4, R1 is equal to 21 by 2, R2 is equal to 12, R3 is equal to 14. This is the given problem. We have to find here. First we have to write given A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 15. In triangle ABC, 3 sides are given. So first we have to find perimeter. 2S is equal to A plus B plus C is equal to A 13 plus 14 plus 15. So 2S is equal to 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. So 2 1 1 2 3 4 42 implies S is equal to 42 by 2 is equal to 21. S value 21. Then you have to find S value, S minus A. You have to find S minus A, that is 21 minus 13. 21 minus 13. 11. 11 minus 3, 8. So this is 8. Next, S minus B. 21 minus 14 is equal to 7. Okay, all of you. So S minus C, 21 minus 15 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. Then what we will have? You find delta first. Delta is equal to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C equal to root over. What is S here? 21 into S minus A 8 into S minus B 7 into S minus C 6. Okay, all of you. Delta is equal to root over 21 can be written as 7 into 3 into this 8 can be written as 2 cube into 7 into 3 into 2. So totally we have 2 power 3 into 2. So 2 power 4 into 7 into 7. So 3 into 3, 3 square into 7 square. So square root of this one, 2 square into 3 into 7. So delta is equal to what? Delta is equal to 4 into 3 into 7. 4 3 ja 12 into 7. 7 2 ja 14. 1 7 1 ja 7. 84. So delta is equal to 84. 12 7 ja 84. So delta is equal to, we get delta value, area of the triangle. Delta is equal to ABC by 4R. So here 4R is there. So 4R is equal to what? ABC by delta. ABC by delta. So 4R is equal to, this is implies 4R is equal to ABC. A is equal to 30 into B is equal to 14 into C is equal to 15 by delta. Delta value is 84. Delta value is 84. So you observe here this value. So this one 2 7 ja 2 4 ja 2 2 ja. So 4R is equal to 13 into 7 into 15 by 42. So 3 5 ja 3 1 ja 3 4 ja 7 2 ja. So this is 13 into 5 by 2. R is equal to 13 into 5 by, this is 4 into 2 equal to 65 by 8. R value is 65 by 8. But what is small r? Small r is equal to delta by S. What is delta here? 84. 84 by, what is S here? 21. So 21 4 ja. So small r is equal to 4. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. 84 by, what is S minus A here? 8. 4 2 ja 4 2 ja 4 1. 21 by 2. Again you find R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. R2 is equal to 84 by, what is S minus B here? 7. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja. R2 is equal to 12. R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. R3 is equal to 84 by S minus C is 6. So 6 is there. 6 1 ja 6. 6 4 ja 24. R3 is equal to 14. R3 is equal to 14. So capital R is equal to 65 by 8. Small r is equal to 4. This one. Small r1 is equal to 21 by 2. This one. Small r2 is equal to 12. Small r3 is equal to 14. This one. Okay, all of you. This is the conclusion of the problem. Here, eighth problem. Eighth problem. What is eighth problem? If R1 is equal to 2, R2 is equal to 3, R3 is equal to 6 and R is equal to 1, prove that A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Then we have given, what given here? R1 is equal to 2, R2 is equal to 3, R3 is equal to 6 and R is equal to 1. We know the formula R1, R2, R3 is equal to delta square. So what is R1? R1 into R2, 2, R3, 3, R1, R2, 2, R3, R1, 2. R3, R2, 3, R3, 6 is equal to delta square. So delta square is equal to 6 into 6 is equal to 6 square. Delta is equal to what? 6. Delta is equal to 6. But SR is equal to delta by S implies S is equal to delta by R. Delta 6 by R is 1. So S is equal to 6. What is S value? 6. Then we have to find R1. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. S minus A is equal to delta by R1. Here S is equal to 6. 6 minus A is equal to delta value 6 by R1 value. So S is equal to R1 value 2. So 2 3 6 minus A is equal to 3. A is equal to 6 minus 3 equal to 3. A is equal to 3. Next you have to find R2 delta by S minus B. S minus B is equal to delta by R2. S value 6 minus B is equal to 6. S minus B is equal to 6 by 3. 3 2 ja. S value 6 minus B is equal to 2. So B is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is the answer. Next S minus C. So R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. S minus C is equal to delta by R3. Delta value 6. R3 value. So R3 value is what? 6. So 6 by 6 is equal to 1. S minus C is equal to 1. 6 minus c is equal to 1. So c is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. C value 5. Okay, all of you. That's all.